Welcome to another training session on HealthServe 2. In today's training, we'll be putting you through how to use HealthServe to follow up on your patient and to even find out how they are faring after you have provided intervention to improve their health condition after visiting your premises or your hospital or your lab, as the case may be. So now, but before you can use this tool, there are two things you need to do. You need to set your sender ID, but by default, system will use the first 11 character in your business name, that is your pharmacy name, your hospital name, to set sender ID. But you are at liberty to change it and click on this edit SMS sender ID, and that will be the sender ID that the patient and your customers will see when you send them message. That is done. The next thing you need to do is to purchase SMS unit. Here I have 20. If I want to buy more, let's say I want to buy more 100, I will input 100 here and click purchase SMS. Then I will go ahead and key in my card number. You can, apart from using card, you can use bank, you can use transfer, you can use SSD, whatever is the option you want, you can use it to make this transaction. So once you key in your card detail, your card expiry date, and all that detail, you go ahead and pay, and your account will be credited with the amount of SMS unit you have purchased, and you can use it to send messages. And not just you as the institution, but also your staff can use it to send messages to your patient only. Now, after you have done this, if you are using the system to manage your patient, then you are going to have this database will have on the manage appointment in your institution. And this have all the patient list with the appointment and purpose of the appointment. Like I see drug refill, patient follow-up, and all of that. So this will help you to follow up on your patient. And how do you do that? You can chat with them in real time using this. You can see it has opened a chat window for me to chat with the patient in question. So I can say hello, and then will get it and reply me. Then apart from chat, the most interesting one is the SMS, which is a new integration we just did. So if you want to use this SMS function, after you have purchased your SMS, simply click on send SMS, and then the system will open this interface. Go ahead and type the message, maybe find out how they are faring on the treatment you provided to them based on the drug you gave to them. Assuming it's anti-malaria, you can find out how they are doing, whether they are getting better and all of that. And if it is even that maybe it's due for a refill of that drug for those that are on chronic management, is this you can use this tool to remind them when it's due for them to refill their drug. And you can equally use it for during festive period to greet your client and try to send them goodwill message. And this will help to improve bonding and relationship you have with your client. And this will even make them to rather patronize you instead of going to any other place. And we strongly recommend you using this tool to improve your customer satisfaction, which will improve customer retention and patronage, and of course, the bottom line, your revenue base at the end of the day. So once you type your message here, go ahead and click send SMS, and instantly your patient will get the message. But the most stable time to send this message is between 8 in the morning to 8 in the evening. Once it's beyond that, then the message will deliver the next day in the morning. So because of the telco's regulation, the right time to send message is from 8 in the morning to 8 in the evening. From 8 at night to daybreak is not ideal time for you to send a message to your patient. So with this tool, it will help you to make your patient feel cared for, and that will make them to rather visit your pharmacy instead of going to any other place. And it will only cost you 5 naira to send this message to your patient. So that means if you buy 100 units, you're going to send the messages to 100 patients at the end of the day, and that will only cost you 500 naira. So we believe that this tool will help us to improve our practice in Nigeria and to also offer our patients improved quality of care. And we urge you to explore this tool and try to make good use of it. And if you have any other idea you want us to implement on HealthServe software, we welcome you to bring it to us and we will implement it for your benefit and that of other end users. Thank you for watching, and we do hope that you start using HealthServe application to send SMS messages to your patient that will bear your business name on the message they will receive instead of using regular phone number to send SMS, which is not customized. This time around is a customized message that bear your business identity in the message they get from you. Thank you.